Hello dear students, I welcome all of you in lecture 13 of Topology of Matrix Spaces, Unit 1st, Matrix Spaces. In last lecture, we study in any matrix space, open ball is an open set and arbitrary union of open sets is open, and solve examples on these theorems. In today's lecture, we study finite intersections of open set is open, but infinite intersection of open sets need not be open. So start with theorem. Theorem. Let XD be a matrix space the finite intersection of open sets is open. Or if G1 and G2 are open subsets of matrix space X, then G1 intersection G2 is open set. This is the statement of theorem. Let HD be a matrix space. The finite intersection of open sets is open, or if G1 and G2 are open subsets of matrix space XD, then G1 intersection G2 is open set. To prove this theorem, prove if G1 intersection G2 is empty, then result is true. Because you know that in any matrix space, empty set and itself is open set. Therefore, if G1 intersection G2 is empty, then result is true. Since empty set phi is open set. Let G1 intersection G2 is non-empty. Take X belong to G1 intersection G2. Take X belong to G1 intersection G2, then X belong to G1 and X belong to G2. Here G1 is open set and X belong to G1. Therefore, there exists R1 greater than 0 such that open ball about X with radius R1 is contained in G1. Similarly, G2 is open set and X belong to G2. Therefore, there exists R2 greater than 0 such that open ball about X with radius R2 is contained in G2. Take R is equal to minimum of R1 and R2. Then open ball about X with radius R1 with radius R, consider open ball about X with radius R. R is minimum of R1 and R2 containing G1 and open ball about X with radius R containing G2. Since R is minimum of R1 and R2, if larger ball containing set, then its smaller ball containing it is containing that set. Therefore, open ball about X with radius R is containing G1 intersection G2. Therefore, G1 intersection G2 is open set in X matrix space X with respect to matrix D. This is the proof of given theorem. Remark, but infinite intersection of open set need not be open, so we write this in remark. Infinite intersection of open sets need not be open. Infinite intersection of open sets need not be open. Proof or solution or justification. Let IN is equal to open interval -1 to 1 upon n for n is belong to set of integer I. The open interval in R1 open intervals is open set in R1. Therefore, IN is open set in R1. Now, intersection of IN n goes from 1 to infinity is equal to singleton 0. When we take intersection of all these intervals, we get singleton 0, 1 point set in R1. We know that one point set in R1 is not open, therefore infinite intersection of open sets need not be open. Example, let capital A and capital B be open subsets of R1, then prove that A cross B, Cartesian product of A and B, is open set in R2.